Sit comfortably and close your eyes. Inhale peace, exhale all tension. You have earned this calm. Feel your breath settle. Let stillness enter your body like morning light entering the sky. Roll your shoulders back. Lift your heart. You are opening space for strength and self-love. Place one hand on your chest, one on your belly. Listen to the calm you created. Inhale deeply, feel your body expand. Exhale slowly, release every fear you carried. Honor this moment. You showed up, and showing up is the first victory of every warrior. You did not come here to be perfect. You came to become powerful. Let that truth settle. Progress is quiet. Strength is silent. But it grows every day. Release whatever you no longer need. Breathe it out. Make space for your evolution. With every inhale, say, I am ready. With every exhale, whisper, I am strong.
The sun rises quietly. So will you. Quiet progress creates loud transformation.
Nature moves slowly, yet nothing is left undone. Trust your rhythm. In stillness, your power is reborn. Strength is not noise, it is breath.
Like clouds, let thoughts float. You do not have to hold everything.
Stand or sit tall. You are not who you were this morning. Growth has begun.
Freedom is not found in perfection. It is found in presence. Place your hands to your heart. Thank yourself for choosing healing.
I am proud of me. I am safe in my journey.
Open your eyes slowly. See the world as new, because today you changed. And remember, no one can take this moment from you. This power is yours. Day one is not the start of yoga. It is the start of believing in yourself. Every time you return to this mat, you rewrite your story. Let discipline guide you, not mood. Mood fades. Discipline builds queens. You are stronger than your excuses, stronger than yesterday, stronger than fear. And if your mind doubts, your body will show it what strength looks like. Rise with the sun, train with the earth, rest with the moon, live with balance. This mat is your sanctuary. No judgment, only growth, breath, and power. The horizon does not rush, but it always arrives. Say to yourself, I am becoming. I am unstoppable. I am enough. You finished day one, and that means you just became unstoppable. Bow gently. Respect your effort. You earned this calm. If you are still here, type day one done in the comments. This is your accountability, your promise to your future self. Return tomorrow. Day two awaits. Stronger movements, stronger mind. And no matter how hard it feels, remember this breath. Healing is not loud. It is patient. And you are doing it. Release perfection. Embrace consistency. That's how transformation wins. Your mat will always wait for you. Will you return? Thank you for sharing your energy with me. I honor your strength. This was day 1, and we have only just begun.
Somewhere inside you, a fire has just been lit.
Keep feeding it with breath, belief, and movement.
Strong, calm, unshaken. That is who you are becoming.
The journey is long, but so is your power. You are not late. You are right on time. Rooted like the earth, rising like the sky.
Let every breath remind you, you are alive. Let every doubt fall, like ripples fading into peace.
You are no longer just watching. You are becoming. Day 1 complete. The world will see who you become.